Using CJ Dropshipping with Amazon involves a process of sourcing products from CJ Dropshipping and listing them on your Amazon seller account. Here's a concise guide. Create Amazon seller account. If you don't have one, sign up for an Amazon seller account and set up your storefront. Access CJ Dropshipping. Log into your CJ Dropshipping account to browse and select products you want to sell on Amazon. Download product information. Download product details, including images, descriptions, and specifications from CJ Dropshipping. Ensure the information aligns with Amazon's requirements. List products on Amazon. Manually list your selected CJ Dropshipping products on your Amazon seller account. Input the downloaded product details during the listing process. Set pricing and inventory. Configure pricing and manage inventory levels on Amazon according to the details provided by CJ Dropshipping. Coordinate order fulfillment. When you receive orders on Amazon, place those orders with CJ Dropshipping through their platform. Provide shipping details for CJ Dropshipping to fulfill the orders. Communicate with CJ Dropshipping. Maintain communication with CJ Dropshipping to ensure smooth order fulfillment, shipping, and any necessary customer support.